Welcome to the Four Seasons Papagayo. They have just reopened after a $30 million renovation. They are located on a hilltop offering amazing views of both sides with golden sandy beaches. You're welcomed with a cold cloth and coconut water. Here you will find the spa and a state-of-the-art fitness center. Located right in the middle of the jungle, you never know who you will run into. They offer 182 rooms, suites, and villas with a modern design with a local touch. Welcome to my room, the Breezer Room, which means breeze. They offer a welcome amenity. The mini bar is also included with snacks, coffee, and tea. All rooms come with a balcony offering spectacular views of either the forest, ocean, or both. Enjoy one of their villas. In the middle of the rainforest, you will find their 3 pools with beaches located on both sides. The main pool, located in the middle, Bahia, is a freshwater pool. While relaxing at the pool, the attendants will bring complimentary, refreshing fruits, snacks, and water. Just steps away from the main pool, you can relax in their whirlpool grotto. The main pool has 2 smaller pools located on each side. The second family pool, Blanca Pool, overlooks the lively Blanca Beach. This is where you will find all of the activities like snorkeling as well as kayaking for a charge. On the other side of the main pool, you will find my favorite, the adult pool. And it is located just steps away from Playa Verdor, the quiet, adults-only beach. All pools offer complimentary sunblock and aloe vera. Enjoy the ice cream bar. Make sure to order one of their hamburger specialties. They are delicious. Try one of their restaurants. Bahia Grill offers Latin American cuisine. Inej, in the morning, grab some healthy snacks or cocktails and tapas throughout the day. Pesque offers a panoramic ocean view. Their lobby bar, La Reserva, here you can enjoy their Latin American rum journey. Arnold Palmer Golf Course. They also offer a hiking trail, either guided or on your own. Well, thanks for joining me on my tour of the Four Seasons Papagayo Peninsula in Costa Rica. And for more must-see destinations, please subscribe.